Hello, today we're going to be finishing off this homework packet. So for problem 15, we need to find side C to start out with. So we're going to use law of cosines because we do not have a matching angle inside. We'll have C squared. So here's law of cosines for C. When we solve this side right here, we're going to have C squared equals just about 2118.93. We need to square both sides, and we'll have C equals about 46 kilometers. Now we do have a matching side and angle, so we're going to use law of sines. When we do this, we're going to do our cross multiplication. Divide by the 46, we'll have sine A equals 26 sine 134 over 46. When we plug this into our calculator, we should get that sine A equals 0.4066. We're going to do the sine inverse, and we'll have A equals just about 24 degrees. Now, for B, we can say our 180 minus our 24 minus our 134, and we're going to end up with B is 22 degrees. For problem 16, we are going to just say that this is our hypotenuse over our adjacent side. So we'll say 1 squared plus b squared equals 4 squared. So b is going to equal the square root of 15. So when you solve for all 6 trig ratios, you should have something like this. Next, we're looking at problem 17. So 17, we have all 3 sides. So we're going to choose to solve for an angle. I'm going to choose angle A. So the equation is going to look something like. So then we are going to solve for what the 30 squared minus 18 squared minus 17 squared is. Alright, so we'll subtract the 324, we'll subtract the 289, and we should end up with 287 equals negative 612 cosine A. Divide by that negative 612, we have cosine A equals a negative 0.46895. We'll take that cosine or the inverse cosine of that, and A is going to equal 118 degrees. Now we need to solve for B and C. So for angle B, we're going to say the law of sines now. We use our cross multiplication. Sine B is going to equal 18 sine 118 over 30. When we do the sine inverse of that, B equals 32 degrees. And for angle C, we are going to do our 180 minus 118 minus 32, and that is going to equal 30 degrees. And so here are your answers. For 18, you're going to do that yourself. If you have any questions with this, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good weekend, and we will see you on Monday.